Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Kraken app, secure guide step by step clearly. Begin by downloading the Kraken app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app is installed, locate the Kraken icon on your device and tap to open it. When the app launches, you will see the login screen. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your password, making sure it is typed correctly. If you prefer, you can choose to enable the Remember Me option. This will allow you to skip the login process in future sessions. After you have entered your email and password, tap on the Login button. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, a verification code will be sent to your device. Check your authentication app or your SMS for the code. Enter the verification code in the provided field on the app. Once entered, tap on Verify to complete the login process. If your credentials are correct, you will be granted access to your Kraken account. In case of any issues, double-check your email and password for accuracy. If you continue to face problems, consider using the Forgot Password link to reset your password. After successfully logging in, ensure that you navigate to the security settings. This is crucial for enhancing the security of your account. Set up additional security features as needed for peace of mind. Now, you are ready to explore and use the Kraken app securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.